know that cooking is more than just a food. It's a business, a skill, and a way of creating value for people, and most importantly, a source of employment. I don't know if you have seen those mini food joints with over 5 employees. Let me tell you one business AI can never replace. That is cooking. Yes, no robots, no ChatGPT, no fancy software can replicate the smell of a fresh stew coming out from your kitchen, the taste of a well-baked cake, or the love you put into a home-cooked meal. And that is why cooking is one of the safest business you can start today. Because people will always eat and people will always pay for a good food. But here's what most people don't know. You don't need a big restaurant to start making money from cooking. You can do it from your own kitchen with your smartphone and reach out to many customers without much stress. In this video, I will show you 5 powerful ways to start making money from cooking online without your smartphone. How to start an online food shop from the comfort of your home, how to host a paid cooking classes, how to sell ebooks based on your own recipes, how to position yourself and get books for event cooking, and finally, how to position yourself so as to get brand deals as a food content creator. And here's the good thing about food content creator: you don't make special recipes. Those food that your customers paid for, just film yourself cooking it. That is it. So by the end of this video, you would have a clear roadmap on how to turn your kitchen into a money making machine. No big capital needed, just your skill and consistency. Now let's go. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Peculiar Daily Income, your money challenge. This channel is all about making money, having multiple sources of income. You cannot be my subscriber and be broke. No. So one good thing you have to do now is to press that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the bell notification icon so that you get updates on my next video. If you can cook tasty meals, you are already 70% close to becoming a multi-millionaire, starting online or starting from the comfort of your home. How do you start? Step one, decide what you can cook very well. Don't try to cook everything at once. Just pick 2 to 3 meals you're very good at. It can be jollof rice and chicken, it can be pastries, it can be native soups. Just focus on what people already love and what you can do very well. Step two, price your meals fairly. Check what other online food vendors are charging. Price your product slightly lower at first so as to attract customers. For instance, a plate of rice, stew with plantain and medium-sized chicken that other vendors are charging for 7K. You can price your own at 6,000 naira and add a small bottle soft drink. Step three, package attractively. You know the saying that eye is before the mouth. Buy those fancy packaging containers, do a fancy sticker. That sticker should have your name, your phone number, and your address so that people can easily reach out to you. Because if they eat your food and it's very good, don't worry, they will always be coming back. Step four, announce your services online. Take a clear photos of your food in good lighting. Post it on your WhatsApp status. Post it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors. A lot of your neighbors are starving, not because they don't have money, but because they are short with time. They don't have time to start cooking. So you can partner with a delivery company or a delivery guy so that after cooking, you can call the person to come and deliver the meal to the owner. So how to scale up on this business? Once you have regular customers, you start a weekly menu. For example, you put this right up that on Mondays they are getting rice and stew, Tuesdays they are getting pounded yam and egusi. This will build anticipation and you're earning big for it because as a home food seller, you're sure of 50 to 100K on a weekly basis. Now check how much you'll be making in a month. The number two piece of making money with this skill is hosting a paid cooking classes. Many people want to learn how to cook, but they don't know where to start. So you can teach them and get paid for it. Imagine having a class of 10 to 20 students that pay you 15 or 20,000 naira every week. And you're already a millionaire. How do you start this? Step one, choose a niche. Instead of saying, I'm starting a cooking class this week, pick something specific. For example, how to make 5 different Nigerian soups in 1 week, or budget meal preparation for busy mom, or it can be cake baking for beginners. Step two, Decide decide format. You can hold a live class or pre-recorded class which can hold on Facebook, Zoom or Telegram. On Telegram is the easiest way because you post those videos you made while cooking. You post it there and they will be there. Anybody that the video you post today on that Telegram, if a student should join that Telegram on in next month, they will also meet that class and pay for it. So it is not a big deal, just upload and that is it. Step three, promote on social media. Post short cooking videos on Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp status. At the end, say I'm hosting a live cooking class this Saturday and you only need to pay 5,000 naira. So DM me to register. Step four, start with small group. Do not wait for people to get to 20. You can start with 5 people. And imagine if 5 people should pay you 3,000 naira, you're already making 15,000 naira for a week because this classes doesn't last more than 5 to 7 days. 7 days is even long, just 5 days, you're good to go. And you're saving a lot of time. How do you scale up on this business? Record your class and sell it later as a pre-recorded course. You can also post them on Seller, Gumroad, Telegram, and charge students for 20K. Number three method is selling ebooks based on your own recipe. An ebook is a digital file. It can be a PDF. You can write it once and you keep selling it. The sales are unstoppable. In fact, your next generation will also earn from that write up. Write about 10 easy weekend dinner for busy mom. This can be my secret cake recipe step by step, or how to cook Nigerian soups like a pro, or budget meal preparation. 5 meals I made with 5,000 naira. You know how this country is. So everybody needs a low budget recipe. Now, how do you create these ebooks? Step one, create your recipes in simple English, which includes ingredients, steps, photos you took while cooking this meal, or you can generate them through ChatGPT. Step two, use free tools like Canva. Canva have free ebook templates. You just go there, do some changes, upload it on Google Docs. Step three, price it fairly. As a beginner, you can charge 3,000 or 5,000 naira per ebook. Where can you sell this ebook? You can upload them on Seller. Seller is a Nigerian platform for digital products. You upload your digital product there and you keep selling it. Just like that. You can upload samples of those pages on your WhatsApp and write DM me for ebook. And that page you uploaded should be an attractive page. You can also do the same on your Instagram or your Facebook and tell them that the link to this product is in your bio. How much can you make from selling 100 copies of ebook? Imagine if you price it 30,000 naira, you're making 300,000 naira in a month, or from that 100 copies you sold. The first way of making money from this is by getting books for event cooking. Those weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, corporate events that you go and eat, people are paid to cook for them. So you don't need much to get started. Just create awareness. Build a small portfolio. Offer to cook for a friend. Small birthday party on a discount. People like discounts. As you're cooking, as you're running these services, people that eat those food would like to get your contacts. And people also ask the owner of that event who cooked this. They will recommend you. They will give you reviews and you post it. Step two, create a simple menu. List what you can cook for events such as jollof rice, fried rice, salad, pepper soup, small chops. List them and post online. Step three, share this knowledge on social media. Don't keep it to yourself. Post your event photos with captions like I cooked for a 50 person per day yesterday. This is what I served them. You post it. Step four, partner with event planners. Reach out to those event planners in your area. Tell them that you are available for event catering. Offer a small commission for referrals. Tell them how much cost they'll be getting per person they refer to you. Once you get a few successful events under your belt, they will be the ones to spread the good news. They will be the ones to run free adverts for you. Whenever their neighbors or friends are hosting event, they will tell them that my event say you say that you like the food. Look at the person that did the cooking. Now, the number five opportunity you have as a cook is signing brand deals through cooking online. This is for those who want to build a public presence. You can create content such as videos, recipes, tutorials on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. Brands will pay you to feature their products. Yes, how do you start as a cooking curator? It's very easy. It's as easy as ABC. Step one is choose one platform. It can be Instagram Reels, it can be TikTok, the one you're good at. It can be YouTube. YouTube is great for longer tutorials. Step two, post consistently. You can post 3 to 5 times per week. Film yourself cooking that same food people have ordered and paid for. Use good lighting. Natural light is best and free. Keep videos 30 to 60 seconds for Reels and TikTok. Step three, build a small but engaging audience. You just need 1 million of followers to start. Brands look for engagement, comments, shares, sales. Even 2,000 engaged followers can attract local brands and even international brands. Step four, when brands such as food brands, kitchen equipment companies, grocery delivery apps approach you, they may send you free products or pay you cash, such as 50 to 200K per post. How do you attract brands? How do you position yourself so as to attract these brands? Tag the brand you use in your videos naturally without money. For example, I made this stew using no seasoning and mama gold rice. If they see good content, they will reach out to you. You can also contact those brands by yourself. Send a direct message to a small food brand, such as I see you sell great spices. I have a cooking page with 3,000 followers. Can we work together? And you will see them when they come ask you for your page name, you tell them they'll come and analyze it and they see something meaningful there. They would patronize you. Now, before we end, let me give you four bonus tips that will set you apart from your competitors. Tip one, invest in good phone with good camera. Your customers is what their eyes see first. Use natural lights that will give a clearer vision. Clean your kitchen and your plates. No dirty background, no littering all around. Step two, be clean always. Wear good clothing. Cover your head. In food business, hygiene is everything. So keep your kitchen spotless. Wear clean clothes. Customers who see dirty hands or flies perching around would never come back or would never even patronize you at the first sight. Step three, ask for testimonies. Those customers that patronize them, ask them for review. And if they really enjoyed your food, without even asking, they will give you review and they will recommend you. Save those testimonies. They are your best marketing tools. Yes. Now, tip number four is start with one, then add the other. These five opportunities to start making money as a cook, you should not jump on all of them at once. Just pick one that you are good at and start. Do not try everything at once because you will not give it your best. Now, today, I have given you five practical ways to turn your cooking into money. So, you don't need to start delaying or start procrastinating. You can start with online food shop, cooking classes that will not cost you anything, ebooks. You can generate these ebooks with free tools, event cooking, brand deals, and you start making millions on a weekly basis. Now, let me hear from you in the comment section. Which of these are you starting right away? If you're my follower, you know that I don't like procrastination. So let me hear the one you're starting right away. And which meal is your best meal? Which meal are you good at? I would like to hear from you and hope you have subscribed to this channel because I wouldn't like you to miss the next update. Subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.